Welcome to Right Choice Training. This video will provide you a brief introduction on WHS framework in Australia. Australia's WHS legislative framework is designed to safeguard the health, safety, and welfare of workers and others in the workplace. At its core is the Work Health and Safety Act 2011, often referred to as the WHS Act, which provides a nationally harmonized approach to work health and safety. The Model WHS Act is supported by a range of regulations and codes of practices that outline practical ways to meet the responsibilities set out in the Act. Key elements of the WHS Act. There are a few essential elements of the WHS Act that every business and worker needs to be aware of. Primary duty of care. The Act requires that a person conducting a business or undertaking, also known as a PCBU, ensure, as far as is reasonably practicable, the health and safety of workers. This includes providing safe systems of work, maintaining facilities, and ensuring adequate training and supervision. Consultation, cooperation, and coordination. Employers are required to consult with workers regarding health and safety matters. This could be through health and safety representatives, HSRs, or directly with workers, ensuring their input is considered in decisions affecting their safety. Company officers, including directors and senior management, must exercise due diligence to ensure the business complies with its WHS obligations. This includes understanding the risks associated with the business and ensuring appropriate safety measures are in place. Penalties for non-compliance. Failure to comply with WHS laws can result in significant penalties, ranging from fines to imprisonment for serious breaches that lead to worker injury or death. This underscores the importance of adhering to safety regulations. Regulations and codes of practice. The WHS Act is complemented by WHS regulations, which provide detailed requirements about particular aspects of workplace safety, such as hazardous chemicals, electrical safety, and working at heights. Additionally, codes of practice serve as practical guides for how businesses can meet the standards set out in the Act and regulations. While codes of practice are not legally binding, courts may reference them as evidence of whether a business has met its duty of care. The role of Safe Work Australia. At a national level, Safe Work Australia plays a pivotal role in developing and maintaining the WHS framework. It creates national model laws that aim to harmonize WHS regulations across the states and territories. These model laws form the basis of the WHS Act and associated regulations implemented across the country. Duties of individuals and parties. Person conducting a business or undertaking, PCBU. The primary duty holder under the WHS Act is the PCBU, which can be a business, company, or individual operating a business. PCBUs must ensure, so far as is reasonably practicable, the health and safety of workers, contractors, and others who may be affected by the business's operations. Responsibilities include providing a safe work environment, ensuring safe systems of work, providing adequate facilities for the welfare of workers, ensuring safe use, handling, and storage of plant structures and substances, providing necessary information, training, and supervision. Officers, such as directors and senior managers, have a legal responsibility to ensure that their organization complies with WHS laws. They must take reasonable steps to understand the business's WHS obligations, ensure proper resources and processes are in place to manage health and safety risks, ensure the business complies with its duties under the WHS Act. Workers also have responsibilities to maintain a safe workplace. Duties include taking reasonable care for their own health and safety, ensuring their actions do not adversely affect the health and safety of others, complying with reasonable instructions and policies provided by the PCBU, using equipment and personal protective equipment, PPE, appropriately. In summary, the WHS legislative framework in Australia establishes clear duties, rights, and obligations for individuals and parties in the workplace. PCBUs, officers, and workers must all work together to create a safe work environment with proper consultation and risk management at the forefront. Understanding and adhering to these duties and rights not only protects individuals, but also ensures legal compliance, preventing penalties and fostering a culture of safety.